How to fix iPhone black screen of death. 3 ways to save its life. Experiencing the iPhone black screen of death can be frustrating, but there are a few methods you can try to potentially resolve the issue. Here are 3 ways to save your iPhone from the black screen of death. 1. Force restart your iPhone. A force restart can often resolve temporary software glitches that cause the black screen. The method to force restart varies depending on your iPhone model. For iPhone 8 and later models, quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. 2. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus,